Hey guys, today I want to talk about the installation of the Voyager Pro. It's one of the questions we get from our customers quite often. The installation is pretty simple with these things. They come with a couple mounts, like for example this handlebar mount. There's that mount, and then basically the adapter can mount up to any RAM mount. So basically anywhere you may want to put it, it can go. On my own machine here, I've decided to go and put it on this plastic plate here that goes just below the gauge cluster. Reason being is the sled spends a lot of time, getting rolled over and whatnot. Like to keep it out of harm's way. Ideally on the handlebars here would be, for visibility would be the best, but I just think that, there's more likelihood that a stick's gonna hit it or the snow could damage it when you roll it over. As far as wiring goes on the Gen 5s, pretty simple. You just use the 12-volt outlet here. Just a 2-wire plug underneath the gauge cluster, so you pull these vents off, get the gauge cluster out. I just went and cut these spade terminals off here, wired in the power wire. Nice and simple. And then that way it's nice and close to where this plate is. Now on this plate, I've just taken the die grinder, kind of cleaned it out here because there are wires that need to go through. There's all this cluster of wires plus the buddy tracking antenna that will need to go through under there. So it's not fancy, but it doesn't really need to be. Just kind of serve the purpose. Drill the 4 holes. And then the plate base will just mount on like that. Okay, now I got everything mounted up here. The base is mounted to the panel. I just stuck the buddy antenna onto the panel. That way it's all kind of a modular assembly here. The power wire comes in. If you need to take this off for whatever reason, you can just pull the power wire and it all comes out. I just zip tied all the other wires up in there. And then now it just snaps into place. And away you go. That's about it for the installation. So ride safe and have a good winter. Thank you. Thanks for supporting All Out Motorsports.